Imaginary vintage? That's the concept behind Albishorn, a young indie brand founded by Sébastien Cholmonté of Celita and designer Fabien Colliud. Their mission? To create vintage-inspired watches that never actually existed but could have. Think of them as missing links in the history of watchmaking. After the Maxigraph, the Type 10, and the Thundergraph, Albishorn returns to its roots with the new Marinagraph, a Regatta Chronograph inspired by the post-World War II America's Cup era. The case is classic Albishorn, 39 millimeters across, 13 thick, with a mono-pusher chronograph. The crown sits unusually at 10:30, and the red anodized pusher between 9 and 10 o'clock is designed to be used with your thumb. A domed sapphire crystal, solid steel caseback, and 100 meters of water resistance complete the package. But what makes the Marinagraph unique is its bidirectional tide bezel. With a brushed aluminum insert, it tracks the 24-hour tidal cycle. Black and green accents mark the highs and lows, while lume ensures legibility out on the water. There are two dial versions: the classic racing with black sunray and silver hands, or the bolder Paraiba racing with a striking tourmaline green dial. Both use red highlights for the regatta function and superluminova across markers and hands. The star of the show is the patented 10-minute retrograde regatta countdown. Unlike traditional endless loops, this one stops once the 10 minutes are up, giving precision timing for race starts. Powering it is the caliber ALB01A, based on a modified Celita. Just 6.6 millimeters thick, it packs a 64-hour reserve, runs at 28,800 vibrations per hour, and integrates Albishorn's unique regatta mechanism. Limited to just 99 pieces per version, the Albishorn Marinagraph comes with two tropic-style straps and is priced at 3,950 Swiss francs. Available August 29th, exclusively through Albishorn's online boutique. So, what do you think of Albishorn's imaginary Regatta Chrono? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch deep dives.